Really screwed with the audio then, didn't I? Hello and welcome to Cupcakes. Oh, it is so nice to have you here. Thanks for coming. It means the world. It's a very special day for you to have come by. For you to have. Thanks for watching. I am honoured, and I mean that with all sincerity, truly, truly honoured that Alzheimer's UK have asked me to get on board with their Cupcake Day again. 2018, we raised £1.4 million. That's unbelievable. And all of that incredible money and funds goes into pioneering research, helping people suffering with dementia and their families. It's something that's very close to me, and I say I'm honoured to be able to, in some small way, make a difference. It feels very good, and I'm going to show you a way of making a difference by getting on board with Cupcake Day, making a delicious cupcake recipe, and making all those proceeds go towards a very, very worthy charity. 13th of June, everybody, get it in your diaries. If you need more details, make sure you click that link below. Alzheimer's UK actually asked some of the beautiful community who are unfortunately suffering with dementia about some of their favourite food memories from when they were children. And one person came back saying rhubarb and custard at school was one of their absolute favourite things. It was like the big treat. So in honour of that beautiful soul, we're going to make some rhubarb and custard cupcakes. Very importantly, before I get into the cooking side of things, I'm scattered here with lots of amazing games and stickers and charity boxes. Where's my charity box? And again. Oh, yeah, that was great. That was great. Charity boxes, stickers, little flags for your cupcakes. You can get yourself your very own fundraising pack. Just follow the link that's on screen now or click it in the description box. And there's so many goodies to get your fundraising rolling. One thing I must admit to, I can't find my cupcake cases. So we're going to go straight into the tin and make them more like a, you know, zero waste cupcake. I cannot stress enough that if you have muffin cases, please use them. I'm full of regret. But we're going to persist anyway because I think it's going to go well. Don't say that, Kate. Setting yourself up for a fail. Damn it, we're not good at catching today. So excited that it's rhubarb season. This stuff is available everywhere right now. Of course, if you're watching this video at any other time of the year, then use it tinned. I'm sure that'll work. That'll be fine. Don't worry about it. They're slightly burnt. Steady, edgy. Ooh, it's weird. Oh no. Oh, ah. Ew, that's horrible. Our custard, it's like just a lump of gelatinous yellow stuff. Oh my God! What does this teach you, eh? Patience. I mean, I'm holding the piping bag as if it's going to be worthwhile the attempt. Let's just be honest here. We're all friends. We're in a loving community. Sometimes I take on videos when there's just not enough time in the day. When realistically, we have to go to bed at some point. I cannot describe to you how much custard there is behind this counter. Fundamentally, This recipe is phenomenal. And if you have a little bit of patience, you are going to serve up something that's well worth not just £3, £10. Right now, I think people would struggle to pay 30p for mine, but charity, guys. When you are doing something for charity, people respect you, people get on board with you. So even if you've had a disaster of a bake, it doesn't matter, because you know what? You tried. You tried. So go, guys, have yourself an amazing cupcake day. Share your bakes with me and Alzheimer Society via these handles. Society? I've been saying Alzheimer's UK. It's just a disaster of a video. Our target this year is 1.8 million. It sounds big, but I think we can do it. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for being on board with this, and I shall see you next week. I'm editing this being like, you didn't do it. It didn't go well. Woo! What a nightmare. At least it tastes freaking great.